As a language model, ChatGPT can be a great tool for students looking to improve their learning experience. With its vast knowledge base and ability to generate responses based on natural language input, ChatGPT can help students with everything from research and writing to exam preparation and time management. Let's explore 10 specific ways to use ChatGPT for effective studying. After the video, let me know in the comments if you have any other fun ways to use ChatGPT for effective studying, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's dive in. Number 1. Researching topics. When it comes to researching topics for an essay, presentation, or project, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource. Simply input your query into the chatbot, and it will provide you with a list of relevant sources and information on the topic. You can use this information to gain a better understanding of the subject matter and to find credible sources to cite your work. Number 2. Summarizing text. With ChatGPT's ability to summarize text, students can quickly and efficiently distill long articles or books into shorter and more manageable summaries. This can be especially useful when preparing for exams or writing papers, as it allows you to gain a comprehensive understanding of the material without spending hours reading through the dense text. Number 3. Generating ideas. When you're stuck on a topic and can't seem to come up with any ideas, ChatGPT can provide a fresh perspective. Input a topic or prompt into the chatbot, and it can generate a list of related ideas or suggestions to help kickstart your brainstorming process. Number 4. Improving writing. Whether you're writing an essay, report, or creative piece, ChatGPT can help you improve your writing by offering suggestions for sentence structure, word choice, and grammar. Simply input your writing into the chatbot, and it will provide you with feedback and suggestions for improvement. Number 5. Translating text. For students studying a foreign language or working with texts in another language, ChatGPT can be useful for translating text. Input the text into the chatbot, and it will provide you with the translation that you can use to improve your understanding of the material. Number 6. Practicing speaking. With ChatGPT's conversational abilities, students can practice speaking and listening skills in a low-pressure environment. Simply chat with the bot and practice your speaking skills while receiving feedback and suggestions for improvement. Number 7. Setting goals. ChatGPT can also be a useful tool for setting and achieving academic goals. Input your goals into the chatbot, and it can help you develop a plan of action and provide encouragement and support along the way. Number 8. Time management. For students struggling with time management, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for staying organized and on track. Input your schedule and to-do list into the chatbot, and it can help you prioritize tasks and manage your time more effectively. Number 9. Study breaks. Taking breaks is an important part of effective studying, and ChatGPT can provide a fun and relaxing distraction during those breaks. Ask the chat box for a joke or trivia question to give your brain a break and help you recharge before returning to your studies. Number 10. Exam preparation. Finally, ChatGPT can be a great tool for exam preparation. Input the topics you need to study into the chatbot, and it can generate practice questions and review material to help you prepare for your exams. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be an incredibly useful tool for students looking to improve their studying habits and academic performance. With its ability to assist with research, summarization, and generating study materials, ChatGPT can save students valuable time and help them approach their studies more effectively. So don't hesitate to try out ChatGPT and explore the various ways it can help enhance your studying experience. But before you go, drop a comment down below and let me know if you've got any other brain-boggling ideas on how to make the most out of ChatGPT for studying like a pro. And hey, if you want more insightful tips and tricks on how to take your success to the next level, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Keep crushing those books!